Hello Jobsider community! Today, we celebrate the inspiring journey of Miss Teresita, a determined Filipino who embarked on a new chapter from the UAE to Malta. After months of anticipation and hard work, her dream came true on August 6, 2024 when her visa was officially approved. Her story is one of her perseverance and ambition.
Hi mga kababayan! Ako po si Teresita Guache, isa sa nag-apply dito sa Jobsider. So kahit mahaba ang proseso, eto, nandito na ang pinakahihintay ko. Malapit na rin po akong lumipad, ngayong Monday na. So, halina kayo, mag-apply na kayo dito sa Jobsider. Lahat na ay meron sila. Meron silang chef, meron silang caregiver, meron silang driver or kahit ano, nandito na. Hanapin niyo lang po si Sir Neil or yung ibang staff dito sa Jobsider. Makikita niyo po, legal po sila, hindi sila scam. Legal na legal.
If you want to be part of Jobsider's success story, apply now. And here are the new opportunities available in Malta. 10 housekeeping, 5 chefs, 10 waitress or waiter, 5 barmen, and 5 baristas. Join Jobsider HR consultancies in making your dreams a reality, just like Miss Teresita did. Your new adventure awaits. Apply now.